What a beautiful day it is. 4:46. As usual, Florida's 92 degrees today. And what is this guy doing? Right, that's not street legal, buddy. Right, I hope he gets pulled over, honestly. That'd be funny just to watch this happen. Right, anyway. Truck's got 44,000 miles on it. Turn this down, why is it so loud? And I actually really need to get a dash mount so I can talk to you guys while having the phone here recording, so I don't have to hold it. So I actually probably want to get one of those soon, so I can just talk in the truck and record at the same time, and just speak to you guys about daily things and daily life. And this thing gets so close when it makes that turn. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Professor Mike here. Today we're gonna do a quick video on just a common problem that may occur with F-150s. We're gonna figure out if my F-150 burns oil. So as you guys know, this is the 2018 F-150. I've heard some problems with people and wondering if the F-150 5.0 burns oil, or does it consume too much oil. So we're gonna go ahead and check that today. I have my rag. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this hood right here, and we're gonna check it out and see if it actually does burn oil, or if it is low or anything like that. So we're gonna actually check the dipstick, make sure that it's not low. All right, so let's go ahead, just pop that hood. And good thing the truck is not lifted yet, because I would not be able to reach. So what I'm gonna do is, can I do this with one hand? Yep. All right. So here it is right here. Wow, it's actually kind of dusty. I actually have to go ahead and dust this off. I do want to make a video on cleaning your engine bay, because a lot of people don't think that you can actually clean your engine bay with water. But the new vehicles don't have a problem with water, and I mean the engines are made and designed for it to get water in it. So I'm actually gonna make a video on that, on how to clean your engine bay. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down if I can. Let's see if I can. So here is the engine bay right here, and the dipstick is all the way back there. And for example, my hand can barely reach it. Like, I'm on my tippy toes right now, and that is absolute more. I'm stretching to try to reach that dipstick. So yeah, if my truck was lifted, it would be extremely hard to reach that. But I'm gonna go try to put this camera down. How's the engine looking? It's not looking too bad. It's just got a lot of dust everywhere, as you can see there. It's just dusty. There is no cover for the 5.0s. I know the Mustangs do have that 5.0 cover. I kind of like it without the cover, so you can actually see the engine. Looks pretty good, but there's a lot of room in here, guys. Look, see if I can show you from here. A lot of room. All right, so just set the camera up. Got my rag here, so I'm gonna pull the dipstick out. Yes, and then put it back in, and all right, let's see it. Put the rag down. So here is it right here. It looks like the line is to the first hole. You can focus on that, you can see. And so it may be a little low. As long as the line is in between those two holes, it's closer to the first hole than it is to the second hole here. As you can see, it'll probably be a good time to be changing the oil soon. It's coming up on about 4,000, 5,000 miles. But yeah, it's I would say it does probably burn a little bit, but not to the extreme what people make it to be like. I'm pretty sure this thing holds about, I don't know, 7 quarts. So, well, let's wipe this off and try one more time. All right, let's wipe this off. Okay, let's try this again. So here it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if you can. So there it is. It's to the first hole. So yeah, it does burn a little bit. It's definitely time to go ahead and get the oil changed anyways. Yeah, like I said, as long as it's in between the first and the second hole, I would say probably this thing has about 5 to 6 quarts in it right now. And it should have about 7. And I'm actually going to make a video on changing the oil as well. Show you guys how I do it. I don't take my oil, I don't take the truck into any kind of, or my cars or anything into dealerships or any kind of shops. I go ahead and do them myself, make sure they're done right. And the one thing that's annoying is this thing has a curve to it like that. So trying to get it back into the car, it's very hard because it has like a weird spin to it, so it gets stuck. So you kind of have to wiggle it. There we go. All right, so there you guys have it. As you guys saw, it's on the first. It's on the first hole. Should be in the middle. So maybe it does burn a little bit of oil. I haven't had it oil changed yet, so what I'm going to do is probably do the oil change, and then later on down for my second oil change, we'll go ahead and do it again to see if it actually did burn oil, or maybe it was just there was not enough oil put into it on the first time. Like I said, I haven't done the oil myself yet, so when I go ahead and do the oil, I'll make sure to put the right amount, and then we'll check over time to see if it actually does burn oil. But as of right now, it looks like maybe a little bit, nothing too much to worry about. And yeah, so if you guys found that video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every single week, anything automotive, truck related, anything like that. And comment which kind of videos you'd like to see on the channel, and hopefully make it happen. Thank you so much, guys. See you later. Peace. Alright, so there you guys have it. As you guys saw, it's on the first. It's on the first hole. Should be in the middle. So maybe it does burn a little bit of oil. I haven't had it oil changed yet, so what I'm going to do is probably do the oil change, and then later on down for my second oil change, we'll go ahead and do it again to see if it actually did burn oil, or maybe it was just there was not enough oil put into it on the first time. Like I said, I haven't done the oil myself yet, so when I go ahead and do the oil, I'll make sure to put the right amount, and then we'll check over time to see if it actually does burn oil. But as of right now, it looks like maybe a little bit, nothing too much to worry about. And yeah, so if you guys found that video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every single week, anything automotive, truck related, anything like that. And comment which kind of videos you'd like to see on the channel, and hopefully make it happen. Thank you so much, guys. See you later. Peace.